Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley, and this is video number 5 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize how you save. And step number 5 is ensuring that you're putting money into a Roth. And this could be a Roth IRA or it could be a Roth 401k. But remember, if we go back to my intro video, a Roth grows over time so that when you take money out in your retirement years, it's completely tax-free. That means you're taxed at the beginning. If you go to my video and we use the farmer analogy, you're taxed on the seed instead of taxed on the crop. If you put money into your Roth 401k, you've got a lot more money that you can contribute compared to a Roth IRA. And it's also really important to know your tax situation now. So this is where we get into the steps where they might be a little bit out of order depending on your income situation. So again, do some research, look at your budget, look at your income tax bracket, and then of course, if you need to talk to a financial advisor, feel free, give me a call, reach out, I'm happy to connect. But step number 5, put some money into a Roth. I've got 5 more videos coming up. Hopefully you find this interesting. If you did, stick around.